Okay, so this is the setup for the Ashcroft pressure switch, and we have it connected to this little artist's pump. So when we turn on the air pressure, the rotational arm will activate. So here we go. We're over 15 psi, and now the rotational arm has come on. And every time it senses a magnet, let's see if I can get that all in the frame here. Oops. Okay, there I didn't detect the magnet successfully, so it went into alarm. So we'll just, but let's see if we, there. So I'll let it go into alarm and then shut off the air pressure. And when air pressure shuts off, so does the rotational arm.